Guys, seriously, dude? Seriously. Seriously? Look. Look at this thing. Look at this. I can't believe I made this. Look at how good it looks. Look at it. Look at this. This is a twin 50. It is compact. This thing is absolutely incredible. Check this out. Ready? Watch this. Let's see what the size is. 36. Okay. 36. It's a long plane, so the 36 doesn't mean much. 24 and 3/4 wingspan. Look at the size of it compared to the transmitter. I couldn't believe it when I was putting this thing together, how light it felt. Let me take a weight here. Ready? 0. Let's check it out. I'm gonna do this this way. This has 2 X-Fly Galaxies that make 900 grams each. All right, guys, look at this. A little over 1,000. 1,010 grams, 1,015 grams, because I need 2 more servos still. Oh, and push rods. So let's say it's 1,020. Absolutely crazy. I'm praying. Tongue and groove in the back, magnet in the front. It is only a 2400. It needs a 3000. It's probably going to be around 1,100 grams. 1,100 grams, 1,800 grams of thrust. I just want this thing to fly. So hopefully a maiden tomorrow night if I can get it together.